Okay, everybody, you got to try this. Fillet all your salmon. Take all the carcasses, cut them up like this, and your heads. Season those carcasses, lay them out on a cookie sheet or a barbecue. Cook them 10 minutes, 350. Take the heads, put them on a separate pan, cook them 15 minutes or 12. Pull them out, let them cool. Pop those cheeks right out. Season with your favorite seasoning. Just a little bit, because the bone-on salmon actually has a flavor all its own. Sort of like you eat a T-bone steak for the bone, for the extra flavor. Well, this is the same thing. Ready to go in the oven. Slides right off the bone and into your mouth. Salmon cheek number 3. So delicious. You've got to try it. The flip side. This is just some of the carcass meat.